na luma ko resume when I was 18 years old. Ito ako ang pumasa sa interview, imbis yung pinsan ko na mas matanda sa akin dahil marami akong skill at flexible ako. I'm applying as a office staff or hotel front desk and also a secretary. Marami na akong job experiences. I can also manage kasi natapos ako ng event